it happen. Watch it, subscribe, follow. Listen, guys, stay tuned to your boy. Oh, I thought that's somebody else, but this is your boy Sean, guys. Stay tuned to my channel, guys, the Jaden Sean channel. Make sure you guys follow, like, and subscribe, guys. Let's make it happen, guys. Woo, 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 woo. All right, guys, so we walked to the spot. I think I'm the only one out here. As you can see, there's nobody out here. There was no cars on the side of the road. Just me, the woods, fishes, my fishing rod. Yeah, I know what time it is, man. Another beautiful day. So we're at the spot. It's coming up right here, guys. I'll show y'all where it's at. Gotta be careful. We got some wire down here that if you don't know about, you would trip up. And the other day I came out here, I almost got tripped up, but I'm aware of it now. So it's my second time here. So all right, we're gonna switch up to the worms, I guess, a little while. We're gonna let it sit out there and see what bites. This is wrong. Let's go. My time is precious today, guys. Like I said, it's at the point now. I'm looking for anything to bite, guys. I got something there. One fish. So that's what we doing, guys. We out here. Got one on the board. Little baby. I guess a little sunfish or bluegill, whatever you want to call it. Which is cool. You know, it's fun. Come on, big guy. Get you out of here. You're gonna grow. He's a little small. Can't hold him by the mouth, guys. Look, nice one. Get out of here. Another fish. And so we're gonna have some fun today, guys. That's the plan. Another one for the bluegill. He swallowed that thing. Nice colors. Got one. It's a better one. Like I said, we out here having fun. So they gonna be, whatever bites. That's what we doing today, guys. You can see this guy? Oh yeah. That's the spot right there. We're pulling them out of there.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time card. Another one. See, today's a perfect day. That worm. Oh, it's two. Whoa. Oh my goodness, God. First time in history ever for me. 2 for 1. 1, 2. Look at this, guys. 2 for 1. A double up. Nice work. Nice work. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Hey, babies though. They going back. I'm having a great time. That's all I'm doing. Come on, let's get you out of here. One off. Oh, where'd it go? We'll get you up next. So, listen, I'm enjoying this, guys. Like I said, I'm going big this time, guys. Putting bigger pieces on. I want a big old 10-incher right now, guys. That's how we gotta clean our hands today, guys. Wipe it on the rock. Let's get them, guys. Come on. 2 of them coming up today, right now. There we go. Nice one. I don't see you. Oh, yeah, there you go. You're doing it, guys. Another one. So I got this one on pretty good, so. The son had it in his mouth. It's look kind of funny. What's going on here? Little baby. Might have got away with the worm, probably. The worms today. That one. It's a big one. Something fighting. Oh yeah. Come on, I got you, baby. Come on. You already caught. Oh yeah. That one. These are babies, which is cool with me. Probably nice catfish bait. Chop them up, bass, whatever. We got one though. Another one. Another one. Got one. I'm sitting there playing with it. We're gonna wrap this up. Been a good day. It's your boy Sean channel. Check me out, guys. I'll get more creative, more fishing videos coming out. I'm gonna cast this one last cast right here. And that's it. Freak. What's going on? What's going on, man? Today I had a great, awesome day, guys. I came out here in a rainy day. Man, I slammed these bluegills today, guys. It's a beautiful day today. It's raining. Nobody's out here. I'm by myself. Got the whole Cool Springs to myself, guys. I tried to go crappie fishing for a little while. Didn't catch nothing. Tried a little bass fishing. Didn't catch nothing. But overall, we had a good day, guys. We caught fish. That's what count. But listen, I'm gonna keep giving you guys more bangers every single day, guys. I'm posting videos at least 3 to 4 times a week, guys. We're gonna make it happen, guys. Listen, stay tuned to your